Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about a product by a company called TwoTwoo, which really speaks to me on two huge levels. One of those is the fact that I'm an electronics and gadgets and tech geek and nerd, and I love smart home stuff and things like that. And the other one is that I am a hopeless romantic. And these lamps really touch on both of those in a really cool way. So what are these? These are love lamps or relationship lamps, friendship lamps, family lamps you might call them. And why? Well, let's say I have this lamp at my home here in California, and this lamp is with my parents who live in Georgia. And I want to just let them know that I've been thinking about them. So I picked this lamp up and I touched that color and changed it to yellow because that's my mom's favorite color. And you saw the other lamp change to yellow. Or you can also do it in the app. In the app, you've got access to any of a multi-millions of colors. So I change it to blue in the app. And I'm changing my lamp, but it changes that lamp. Or say my parents are there and my mom wants to let me know she's thinking of me. So she comes over and taps her lamp and changes it to a deep blue because she knows that I love the color blue. Or whatever color. But that's what is so cool about these. They're connected. And of course, I have them both here because you need to see them both. But this would work even if one of these was in Georgia and one of these was in California. Or if one of these was in the United States and one of these was somewhere in Europe. It doesn't matter. As long as they're connected to Wi-Fi through the TwoTwoo app, you then share your lamp with someone and they share with you and you connect them. And you can connect more than two lamps as well. So if you have a group of friends that are, maybe been together for a long time and you're having to move to different places, you could have 5 lamps that all reflect the same color. So very special, kind of cool romantic gesture or friendship gesture or family thing. Just a subtle way to keep in touch, to let people know you're thinking about them. That is kind of special and different, unique. So now let's talk about all the other, just sort of the aspects of the lamps. Nice faux wood finish here on the top and the bottom, which looks really, really great. And then you have these two little button controls here. The button on the right is to control the color. So with a tap, it just changes colors. And then you have this button on the left, and that is to change the brightness level. So you can see it just got brighter and brighter. And then now we're going down to the dimmest level. And as you saw when I changed this one, it changed that one. Then here on the top, you have a power off button. And even that works as well. Obviously, if you're using these lamps in that way, you'd want to make sure you have it in a common area, a living room, or you wouldn't want to put it next to your bed in a bedroom if, your mom's going to forget the time difference and turn that light on and turn your light on. So you might want to put it more in a place where that would be fine. But there are other ways you can use these because these are connected. Obviously, I have these here together with me. You could use these as nightstand lamps on either side of the bed, and you can tap and control the color or the brightness on your side of the bed. It'll also turn the other one off. So it's a way you could have these just as accent lamps in your own home, and just being able to control them both through one would be an asset as well and a cool feature as well. But of course, the main purpose, or one of the things that makes them really special, is that ability to connect them. Really easy in the TwoTwoo app. You just go in, turn these on, you connect them to your Wi-Fi. If you send one to someone else, they would need to connect it to their Wi-Fi through the app as well. Then once you've got it connected, then you can share it. Once you do that, you do have full control. You have different whites. Let's make this brighter so you can see it better. You can do like cool white or cool white, like the white bluish white, or the warmer yellowish white, or any shade in between, as well as any brightness level that you want to do. You can lower the brightness or increase the brightness really easy. Also in the app, you do have scenes. So you can have different sort of flashy, colorful scenes that you can have them go through as well. I like the one where they just sort of, it's called a breath mode, where it just sort of slowly changes and goes through different colors. But there are different different modes you can do that way as well. So besides just doing the colors. But inside the app, you can do any of a million colors. You've got so many different colors that you can do to get the color that you want for yourself or the color you want to send to someone. For me, I'm like, this could be also cool just even for a young kid. It could kind of be cool because it could kind of be like a bat signal, Two kids, you have one, your best friend has one, and you send certain color signal, lets them know it's time to meet up at the fort or whatever. Just really, so many possibilities with a gadget like this. It's just, they're really beautiful, really simple, really beautiful, really elegant looking. They do come with a long Type-C cord that plugs into any USB power supply, but they do also provide the power supply for you. So you can just plug it into the wall. Pretty long cord so that you can get it where you need to go. And just a very simple, beautiful lamp. Even just the lamp itself is a beautiful LED color lamp. But then you take 2 of them or 3 of them or 4 of them together, and what you can do either in your own home or most especially with someone that means a lot to you, and just being able to send that subtle nudge, as opposed to a text message you read and it's gone or something like that, which of course you're going to do. But with this, you could kind of turn that lamp red, and then maybe your mom who's in the hospital or in the nursing home or a care facility sees that red all day long, and every time they see it, they think of you, they know you're thinking of them, kind of a thing. So there's so many different ways you could use this for if you're long distance relationship or a friend group. Just really, really awesome lamps by TwoTwoo, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click the like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if I have this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.